Not that you could simply do your own work. This is why it's so difficult for me to hang out with peasants.
Believe me, that goes both ways, man.
Hey, what we really need to do is get your parents back.
Yes, my parents.
But why do I have to be a knight?
Because that's what a Richmond is supposed to do.
But I want to be an actor and a celebrity.
But you're going to be a knight, and that's final.